Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I'll show you how to edit photos in Google Photos on the AGM H6. So first go ahead and open Google Photos and select the photo you want to edit. For example, this one. Then press edit here. Here are a bunch of options available to us. We can crop the picture, we can mirror it, rotate it. Once you're done adjusting the frame, you can press this check mark here. Next up, we can add filters right here. There's a bunch of options available to us. You can also adjust the filter. Here we can add text or draw something. Press the check mark when you're done. You can highlight the text. Here in this menu we can blur, unblur. We can do a bunch of things. We can sharpen, we can denoise. You can play around a little. Enhance your photo editing skills. Maybe you'll come up with something better than I did. You can change the lighting, add shadows, add vignette. You can adjust colors as well. Bring warmth or coolness. When you're done playing around, you can save as copy. Just like that, you have edited the picture. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for more videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.